Two-door Bronco and Buttercup are the ones getting the mods today.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited about today's video because the two-door Bronco and Buttercup are both getting mods today. And the mods they are getting are the UPR products that are available from buckleupoffroad.com. There's a couple different things. I'm going to go over each one of them, but first I want to show you one of the products that I think you're going to be really excited about, and that's the paint matched grill letters. At the end of this video, I'm going to go more in depth about these letters and the colors that are available. I'm also going to show you how to install it on your OEM grill, or they pair nicely with the Buckle Up off-road grills. But first, let's kind of do an overview of all the other items that are going to be in this video. We are going to replace the antenna on the two-door with this billet aluminum antenna. Then we're going to go underneath the hood and do some underhood dress-ups with some cap replacements. These are available in black and silver finishes. This is just a fun little accessory. Next up, we have this billet aluminum accessory mount. This is very heavy duty since it's made of billet aluminum compared to the plastic OEM. The other thing I really like is you're gaining two more accessory mounts. So on the OEM, you just have the middle one. On this one, you're gaining two on each side. And then we have this rear tow hook. These are available in red, blue, and orange. So you may be wondering, why did you pick red for the two-door since it's blue? Well, I have an announcement coming soon regarding the two-door build, so you're just gonna have to stay tuned to figure out why I went with red. I am also going to install a catch can on the 2.3 Bronco. UPR has a couple different catch can options for the 2.3, the 2.7, and the Bronco Raptor, Ranger Raptor, single and dual valve options. I know for the 2.7 and 3.0. I did already do an install video on this on the Ranger Raptor, so that would be very similar to the Bronco Raptor. I figured this is going to get its own install video, but I just kind of want to highlight it that this is one of the items that's going on, so stay tuned for that full-length video. And then lastly, we have 3 oil drain plugs. These are only compatible for the 2.7 and the 3.0. Sorry, two-door, you're not getting this, but I do need an oil change on Buttercup, and I'm going to choose one of these. I don't know which one I'm going to do. I kind of like the blue, so I might just do this one. There are 3 options available from UPR, all of which upgrade from the stupid plastic design to a more robust, durable aluminum. All 3 also have a powerful magnet attached to the end, keeping unwanted debris locked to the bottom of the plug instead of tumbling around in your engine. Standard, quick release, and speed options are available whether you're looking for a quick painless drain or to contain the mess made by performing your own oil changes. We've got the grill here. This is the OEM Big Bend. Outer Banks is very similar to this, but the best part about these letters, it doesn't matter which grill you have. They work with the OEM grills, or if you want to pair this with one of the Buckle Up off-road grills, that's even easier because you're not going to have to drill out the letters and do everything we're about to do, although it's not difficult. To get the letters out, all you need is a 7/32 drill bit because these are plastic welded in from the factory. Now, if you're starting from a fresh grill, you can bypass this part. Okay, we got the first letter off, and I do have a little hole in it, which is not a big deal because I was probably just going to toss these letters. But if you're a crafty person and you're going to reuse these letters for something, just be mindful that you don't drill all the way through like I did right here. You want to give the grill a good wipe down, make sure all that extra plastic is off, get all the bug guts off and everything, and then we're going to put on the UPR replacement letters. I'm going with the Velocity blue letters to match the two-door. These come in a wide variety of colors and also white if you just wanted to stick to the regular white. These letters are attached with 3M tape and anchors. I'm going to go ahead and do both of them for added security, and then before you do any of that, make sure you put the letters in place because you want to make sure everything's spelled correctly. One thing to keep in mind, the O's. These are specific for each placement. So if you're trying to put the O in right here and it's not fitting, it's probably because you have the wrong O in the wrong spot. I recommend laying the letters out to make sure you have the O's in place and everything's spelled correctly. And then you could just take the letter up and then start removing the tape. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, I got them all taped down. Now I'm going to flip the grill over. Moment of truth. Oh, it looks so good. Let's get it back installed so we can see the finished product. Wow, it looks so good. I think paint match letters just make it pop so much more. It looks great. My only complaint is this thing is blocking the letters and I'm not liking it. So I think we're gonna relocate this and we're gonna try to relocate it to underneath the winch mount. So that video is to come. Be sure to check out Buckle Up Off-Road to get your UPR products. We have them available. Be sure to like and subscribe for all the best content. Until next time, guys, buckle up, Buttercup.